Good afternoon. I'm calling to order this meeting of the Public Safety, Civil Rights, and Emergency Management Committee. My name is Cam Gordon, and I'm Vice Chair of the committee. Chair of the committee, Councilmember Yang, is absent today. I'm joined by Council Members Kevin Reich, Barbara Johnson, and Abdi Warsami. We're a quorum of the committee, and we can conduct our business. Our business is potentially going to be rather brief. We only have 2 items on our agenda. The first item is a public hearing, and the second item is a consent item on school resource officers. I think we'll take up our first item, which is the public hearing on passage of an ordinance amending and basically repealing Title 15, Chapter 385 of the Minneapolis Code of Ordinances relating to offenses in general, and that's repealing the section on hats and conduct in theaters. We're going to have a very brief presentation by Mr. Peter Ebnett. Would you like to come forward and just explain this, and then I'll open the public hearing.
Good afternoon, Chair Gordon, committee members. My name is Peter Ebnett, and I'm a management analyst in the city clerk's office. I'm here today to give a brief introduction to the repeal of the ordinance you mentioned, 385.70, hats and conduct in theaters, which has been brought forward by Councilmember Andrew Johnson. In speaking with the 2 departments with subject matter expertise in this area, the repeal is non-controversial. The Minneapolis Police Department reported that the ordinance has only been used twice in the past 10 years and could have used other ordinances to deal with this issue. And additionally, the city attorney's office is supportive. This concludes my brief comments.
Thank you very much. Any questions? Seeing none, then I'll open the public hearing. It appears that nobody has signed in to speak at the hearing. Nobody is here, as far as I can tell, to speak. So, seeing that, knowing that, I will now close the public hearing, and I will move approval of this item. Is there any discussion on that? Seeing none, then all those in favor, please say aye. Aye. Any opposed, say no. That motion carries. That moves us on to the second item, which is a consent item from the police department about the school resource officers in city high schools. And this is authorizing execution of an amendment to the contract with the schools for the city of Minneapolis to provide police officers to serve as school resource officers in city high schools, middle schools, and other selected schools for up to $1,200,000 for the 2015-2016 school year. This is essentially an extension of the current contract that we have. Does anybody want to pull that off and discuss it anymore? Seeing no one, then I will move that for approval. Please say aye if you're in favor. Aye. Any opposed, say no. That motion carries as well. And seeing no further business before us, this meeting is adjourned.